Hello, luxury home enthusiasts, and welcome back to LuxeLifeGoals. Today we're delving into the world of high-end real estate to explore the must-have amenities that discerning buyers expect. From breathtaking, scenic views to cutting-edge technology, we've got it all covered. So if you want to discover the most coveted amenity that'll leave you mesmerized, be sure to stick around until the end of this video. Let's begin our journey with number 10, Restaurant Quality Kitchen. Luxury homeowners expect nothing less than a culinary masterpiece in their homes. These kitchens are equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, spacious countertops, and often have multiple islands. Whether you're a gourmet chef or enjoy casual cooking, these kitchens elevate your culinary experience. For car enthusiasts and collectors, number 9, a motor court and garages are essential. These spaces not only protect your prized vehicles but showcase them in style. From climate-controlled showrooms to car lifts and ample storage, these spaces cater to your automotive passions. They are as luxurious as the cars they house. Coming in at number 8 on our list of must-have amenities in luxury homes is the outdoor kitchen and recreation area. Beginning with a chef-grade outdoor kitchen, it's a gourmet's dream come true, allowing you to host unforgettable alfresco dinners under the stars. These outdoor spaces often include cozy lounging areas, fire pits, and even a fully equipped bar. It's where you can unwind by a fireplace with a glass of your favorite wine or mix cocktails for your guests. And let's not forget about the recreation side of things. Many luxury homes feature expansive outdoor areas with playgrounds, boat docks, and even tennis or basketball courts. It's an adventure for both kids and adults. Hospitality is key in luxury living. Number 7, guest houses offer comfortable and stylish accommodations for your visitors. Your guests will appreciate the privacy and comfort of a separate guest house. It's like having a boutique hotel on your property, ensuring everyone feels right at home. For movie buffs and entertainment enthusiasts, number 6, private theater and entertainment is a game changer. Luxury homes now come with dedicated cinema spaces that rival commercial theaters. With plush seating, surround sound, and high-definition screens, these theaters provide an immersive experience. Whether it's movie night with family or hosting a private screening, it's all at your fingertips. In the digital age, number 5, advanced technology and appliances are non-negotiable. Luxury homes are equipped with state-of-the-art automation systems, security features, and energy-efficient appliances. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature, and security from your smartphone. These homes are not just smart, they're intuitive and energy efficient, offering seamless integration with your lifestyle. Wine enthusiasts, this one's for you. Number 4, wine and tasting room. This is a must-have for those who appreciate the finer things in life. These rooms are not just for storage, they are for showcasing your collection and hosting wine tastings with friends. Climate control, elegant decor, and sommelier-level features are par for the course. Now let's talk about wellness. Number 3, private gym and spa is a top amenity, offering convenience and customization and relaxation. From high-end fitness equipment to saunas, steam rooms, and massage areas, these spaces cater to your well-being. No need to commute to a crowded gym or spa, it's all at your doorstep. Making a splash at number 2, resort-style pool. Luxury homes redefine the pool experience, transforming it into a private oasis. These pools often feature waterfalls, cabanas, swim-up bars, and infinity edges. It's like having a 5-star resort in your backyard, perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. And finally, at number 1, scenic views and privacy. Above all, luxury home seekers seek serenity and breathtaking vistas. It's the ultimate expression of opulence and exclusivity that discerning buyers seek. Luxury homes must offer breathtaking views, be it mountainous, oceans, or iconic cityscapes, creating a daily spectacle and a connection to nature. Equally important is privacy, whether achieved through gated entrances, lush landscaping, or secluded locations. Luxury homeowners yearn for a tranquil escape from the world, where they can relax, entertain, and live life on their terms, far from the bustle of everyday existence. And there you have it, the top 10 must-have amenities in the luxury housing market. From culinary excellence to unparalleled views, these features define opulent living. If you're in the market for a luxury home, remember that these amenities aren't just desirable, they are expected. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with fellow luxury enthusiasts, and subscribing to LuxeLifeGoals for more exclusive insights into the world of luxury living. Your dream home might be closer than you think. Thanks for watching.